Hello, today I wanted to show you some interesting options related to tool called dissolve when you go to mesh. Dissolve, dissolve vertices. I selected middle vertex. You can also use the dynamic context menu when you work with polygons, but you have to turn in preferences this feature on. Of course I had to turn on caps look by accident. Okay, I will show you. Mesh, dissolve vertices. I will tell you what face split does and tear boundary. This splits face like that. Tear boundary cuts like in half. I would like to use a corner of the vertex. I will check how does this corner will behave mesh. Clean up. No, not clean up. You have to go in Blender. Blender for artists behaves different. Face split their boundary. No, I think I have to do this only works in the middle, I believe. Dissolve vertex. Face split their boundary. Very interesting option. I'm happy that I found out. Uh, I found out because when you use this tool, Blender tells you what this option does. I hope you like my video tutorial. Have a nice day, people.